Greetings and welcome to SmartWatchTicks.com. You know, smart comes in a lot of different ways. Einstein was smart. Well, so was Galileo. So was Michelangelo. So was Beethoven. So far at SmartWatch Ticks, we've been looking at smarts in terms of silicone on a little goodie that you stick on your wrist. And the ins and outs had to do with what they can do in terms of software. Well, we're going to take a look at something. You can kind of see it peeking through here. Something from a whole different perspective regarding smart. And not just smart, but fashion smart as well. CIGA design, award-winning CIGA design, mechanical design, engineering excellence in this brand new product. We're going to open this up. I've already gotten it started here on the plastic. Let's unwrap the box and show you from the very beginning what we're talking about in terms of exquisite design. From the 3D printed image on the cover to the book-like elegance, CIGA design mechanical watch, X series, Great Ape. We got the Great Ape. Oh, yeah, I know. It doesn't take much to get me excited. Let's look at it. Inside, you see it's got all kinds of traditional watch design in here with an X pattern. And guess what? That's skeleton. That means you can see through the whole watch. Stick with me. You're going to see that. CIGA design, mechanical watch, X series, opens like a book. In Chapter 1, we get this kind of information about the design, the Grand Prix, I can't pronounce it, but it's one of the pre-selected watch brands and so forth. This is a Chinese version now that is outperforming Swiss, German, you name it. Amazing. Look at all of the awards this thing is now. Okay, you want to see it. There it is, peeking through. Just imagine the presentation opportunity that comes with this as a gift. You open the book to Chapter 1, and here you go. A little bit more information. I'll let you freeze frame that to read at your leisure. It gives you a kind of a description about it, and there's the watch module itself, with two different bands. How did I know he was going to take the band out? I want to see the watch. Look at this. Really interesting. Almost like a microscopic close-up of a carbon fiber type design. This is the sporty version. We can put this thing on it and wear it. 5 atmosphere waterproof on this. I'm going to show you the specs in a minute. Or you can go dress up style like this. Really nice. But still water resistant. Get your watch ready. Take the watch out. There you go. And there it is. It's got this little plastic cover on it already. Let's remove that. Wow. Crystal glass. Oh, did you see the thing move inside? Look at that. That's that self-winding mechanism. Once we get it all wound up and you wear it regularly, you'll be able to keep it wound. Okay. There. Yeah. Now, I think it's time we talk about it, don't you? Where do you get this? Amazon. Definitely. Amazon product. Here's their page from Amazon itself. The CIGA design men's automatic watch. It's the X series SUV, and we'll talk about why it says that. Skeleton mechanical analog wristwatch. It's a smartwatch. Not that you're going to be doing heart rate readings and mapping your trajectory as you run through the field, but in terms of the smarts that go into the overall mechanical design of the wristwatch you're looking at. Yep. Silicone nylon strap and sapphire crystal mirror. About $360 or so. We've already got a coupon for $55 off, and I'm going to see if I can even beat that for you. So be sure you use the link in the show notes when you head on over there. In terms of what it can do now and what it's about, it's SUV structural innovation. Now that means that it's got springs inside of it, just like in a sport utility vehicle, a suspension, if you will, that's going to protect it from mechanical shock. 4 different shock absorbers within the body mechanism of the device itself. Okay? It breaks the mold about hybrid steampunk skeleton aesthetics and avant-garde industrial design. Just look at it, you'll see what I mean. Oh, and by the way, there's a fun little, on some of these models, not all of them, but there's a fun little hidden Easter egg in that it's got a luminous coating on the hands and such, so you'll be able to see it at night. We're going to demo that too. A patented automatic mechanism on here with 25 joules, power reserve of 40 hours, and a movement frequency of 21,600 times per hour. Folks, mechanical watch, keeping accurate time. Haven't seen that for years. Quintessential yet robust. It's a 316L marine grade stainless steel, which is what we have in this orange and black model. Or you can get it in titanium, and in a blue and a steel, silver grade titanium, I believe, and coated with scratch resistant sapphire crystal. And of course comes in 5 distinct different color options. We'll see that as well. Spec wise, the thing I want to call attention to on this one is down here, the full 30-meter water resistance, and it's an automatic movement. So if you want a high-end beautiful watch that you can go swimming and diving with, this is the one. As we always do, we show you the user's manual for this one. So when you go to the last page of the book, here it is. The operations manual, very simple, straightforward, how you wind it, lack of power, what that looks like, full power, and what that looks like right here in the strength of the windings that you'll see right here. Set your time, that's what we're going to do, and get it all ready, and then insert the straps, and you all know how to do that. They're quick release. Let's get started with this. First of all, we need to do what it says. You want to wind the crown clockwise for 30 forward turns, set up the time, and then install the straps to the watch itself. So we're going to do that. Be right back. Well, first thing, this is really cool. There's no hole specifically for the band to go through other than in the band itself. So we find an adjoining hole, pop it in there, and voila! Did I say that right? Voila? Voila, I believe it is. It's not English, remember. It's French. Voila. Anyway, here we go. Voila. Look, here it is. It's nice. It's thin. It's very, very comfortable. It's extremely shock resistant. It's waterproof. And are you ready? It's superluminova. Yes, this is Uncle Tick's ray gun. And it's actually ultraviolet. And what it does is it allows luminous paint to glow even brighter, so you can actually see that you see the X, the outline of the X, and you see the hands are going to be super lit up at night. Not all the models, but the ones that have this luminous paint on it are going to be wow. There, see, it's lasting for a long time. I love this kind of thing because it'll do that. If you really hit it with ultraviolet, yeah, glows nicely. So, what can I say? It is a really fun watch. It's totally transparent. You can see through it. It's a skeleton of a watch. You have all the gears visible inside moving. You've got a front and a back, and you can see the charging ring that goes around every time you're moving. It's winding it up. You can see that center area in here where the gears all come together. It has a second hand with it as well, and it comes in a variety of different colors and combinations. Let's talk about that. Here we are with a nylon band on now. I love this watch. This is really, really cool. It is a wristwatch. It is a smartwatch by the fact that it's a smart mechanical design with suspension in here, just like in an SUV, 4-point spring suspension, and all kinds of other innovative technology that's been an award winner for this watch. And it comes all these different configurations. Let's walk through them. We're looking at this one. The black and orange tends to be a very popular one because of that fun contrast. The little splash of orange calls attention to it out of the corner of your eye. But you can also get that with the purple. It's a little more subdued. These two are pretty close together overall. Now, the specs on most of this are identical. So where the differences arise are down here on which ones have the superluminova coating so you can see it in the dark. That's the orange and the purple and the titanium blue and the titanium gold. The silver one doesn't have the glow in the dark capability on it. What else have we got on here? With the diamond light coating, it doesn't have the diamond light coating, neither does the titanium blue. But both of the orange and the purple one, as well as the fancy gold one, have the diamond light coating and an 18 karat gold electroplated gold covering on top of the titanium. Makes this one like really stand out. And in terms of overall usage, they are identical across the board. 22 millimeter bands, 3 atmosphere or 50 meters underwater, 30 meters underwater. You can swim with it. So all in all, really good combinations. Prices vary. The least expensive ones are these ones here that also have the the magic glow in the dark stuff that makes them really nice. This is a fun design. Skeleton automatic watch with the see-through capability. Again, it's available directly from Amazon. I've got a link in the show notes that'll take you over there. You can decide which model would work best for you. And let's show you that one more time. It's the CIGA Design Men's Automatic Watch, okay? Really impressed with this one. I'm really reluctant to just bring in standard traditional watches, but this is so far beyond. It truly is a smart watch in and of itself. Thanks for watching, gang, and we'll see you again soon.